I don't measure hardly anything. I put probably about 3/4 of a cup of margarine in a great big stock pan. Okay, I have the margarine melting over medium heat. I'm getting ready to add some flour in. Probably about 3/4 of a cup. Alright, I'm just going to stir it together. I'm going to make kind of like a roux, I guess. I don't know if Northerners call it a roux or not. We call it a roux down here. You want to stir it until it's just kind of smooth. Now I'm going to add about 6 cups of milk. Do not use canned milk. I did that one time. It ended up way too thick. This is a good recipe to use when you need to use some milk up, because it takes quite a bit. Now this you want to stir constantly until it starts to thicken, until that margarine and flour kind of dissolve in there and it thickens the milk. No, that's fine. Okay, it's finally started to thicken. That seems to take absolutely forever to do. My husband helped me out with the stirring. Now I'm going to add, I baked 12 small russet potatoes. And while my husband was stirring, I peeled them all. And I'm fixing to add all of those. Dawn, come stir this, please. I'll add the potatoes. Thank you. I've got a handful of green onions. There it is. I'm going to chop them up with some scissors. Much easier than using a knife. Dump those in there. Alright, you're going to continue cooking over medium heat until it gets bubbly. You don't have to stir it as often, like you don't have to constantly stir it. Still stir it a lot though, because it will stick. Okay, it's starting to bubble, so I'm going to turn it down to low and let it cook for 10 minutes. We like this soup served in bread bowls. We usually get the bread bowls from Publix.
Yeah.
But this time I ordered some hard rolls from Walmart. They're not very hard, so, and they're a lot smaller than I thought, so I don't know if it's going to work, but we're going to try it. I'm going to cut the top off. And hollow it out a little bit.
Make sure it's in the bowl when you put this.
There you go. And then you can eat the top. Okay, you can use real bacon, or I like these real bacon pieces. I'm just going to tear this open. See, it's real bacon pieces. I'm just dumped the whole thing in there. I looked for one, there's not one. I don't think, nope. Okay, and then I'm going to take about a cup of sour cream. With it being potatoes, it needs a lot of salt. So, I don't know, I'm adding salt. And you want some pepper. Let's stir that up real good. And then I got this finely shredded sharp cheddar. This is 4 cups. The recipe calls for 2 cups. So I'm going to put almost the whole bag because we like cheese. I'm probably going to leave about a cup behind. So I'll probably put about 3 cups. And then you just stir until it's melted. So I'm just going to ladle some out into our bread bowls. We should be good to go. I'll link I'll put a copy of the recipe down below. Hey y'all, I'm really new at this. Please like, subscribe, share, do all that good stuff.
Want me to do it? Like, subscribe, put your thumbs up, and ring the bell.
Thank you. Okay, and we garnished ours on top with sour cream and a little bit extra shredded cheddar and some bacon and green onions.